Hello everyone, my name is Aida Technically and I'm studying at SK Padang Garuda. Today I'm going to talk about this book. The title of the book is Our Basic Need by Zainadin Zainul Abidin and Ibn. It is published by Pustaka Perdamas. This book has only 30 pages. This book is telling us about the important things that we need in our life. We know that food is the basic need for human. When we eat, we will get energy. When we get energy, we can think and work well. Besides food, air also the basic requirement of human beings. I think this book is very interesting. Every page is colorful and attractive. You can see a character of 4 friends in every pages. The book is also complete with the real pictures and some true facts. For example, you can see clean air from natural environment, dryland in Africa, heavy pollution from smoke in China. And I think this book is worth reading. And it is also provided with some vocabulary with meaning, so we can easily understand the text. And that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.